The battlegrounds. Millions of players pass through fighting beak and claw for their well-seasoned, oddly flavorful victories. There isn't a player out here that doesn't savor in shooting you, looting you, or dancing over your box. And not necessarily in that order.
But that's the least of your problems. This is Arctic survival, where you'll have to adapt to relentless snowstorms or endlessly freeze to death. Out here, it's not the people with guns you need to worry about. It's Mother Nature. Branches. These are your best friend. Use them at a campfire, stay nice and toasty, while the less prepared are left out in the cold.
Hey, is this enough?
No, keep going. These little cluckers will give you warmth when cooked. If you're stuck outside when the storm hits, you better find shelter! Fast! This guy gets it. As the storm rages outside, keep a fire going to maintain your temperature. A nice hot meal will keep you warm. Talk about a chicken dinner. Check your map to see where your enemies' campfires are. Now that the coast is clear, you can find rare equipment to go ambush your enemies. You see those blue lights? That's where you want to be. The gear in this box gives you the edge you need to win. This baby's your eye in the sky. Use it wisely and plan your strike. Now's the time to ambush your enemy. The heater will keep the cold at bay. Now that you've got the basics down, it's time to take your enemies by surprise. I love when a plan comes together. How will you survive?